And you can do this meditation lying down or in a reclining position. If you're sitting up, try to sit up nice and straight. If you want to bring a pillow behind your back, you're welcome to do so. But do your best to just kind of hold your body steady, lifting up out of your pelvic bowl a little bit, aligning your spine, relaxing the shoulders. This will just give you the best position to be able to breathe so that that air is circulating through your chest and through your belly. All right, maybe you close your eyes. Allow for yourself to just start to relax here. Maybe your arms get a little heavier. Notice like your lower body, see how it can maybe sink even deeper into the ground beneath you. Notice the parts of your body that are connecting to the earth. Start to relax your body from the top of your head down to your feet by just scanning through each part and giving yourself permission to let go. So if we start at our face, we want to start to let go of our cheeks, let go of the tongue from the top of our mouth, let go of the shoulders, loosen the fingertips. Let the weight fall heavy down our limbs. As we relax our belly, let our belly go. Let the weight fall down into our hips. Relax our thighs, our knees. And as you come down to your feet, maybe wiggle the toes just a little bit and relax them. If you feel any tension, just spread them out a little bit more and allow for a sense of your breath to kind of touch those toes. This sense of bringing in restoration, and then on the exhale, releasing any tension, any thoughts. And for the next 10 breath cycles, or whenever you're ready, start to just connect to the physical sensation of your breath coming through your body. Anytime your mind wanders, gently come back to this physical sensation of the breath. And if you need a point of reference, come to the belly, feeling the navel rise and fall gently with each inhale and exhale. There's no need to control the breath. And even in this moment, there's no need to control the body, nor your thoughts. Whatever comes to you, just allow it to be. Try not to attach. Stay as an observer. If there's any thoughts that come to mind that are liking or disliking, continue to just try to be an observer. Focusing more on the fact that you're feeling the sensation than on trying to judge it or label it. No need to label it at this time. Just let it go and let it be. And take about the next 10 breath cycles to really build out the lake. Noticing the color of the water. Getting a sense of how deep or shallow the lake is. Paying attention to the basin around it, if there's any leaves or trees. Maybe there's life beaming within the lake itself. Also the surrounding areas of the sky, the type of day it is. If there's any clouds, or if it's just sunshine. Let the colors flow and be as vibrant as possible. Really feeling yourself sitting at the bank of this lake. Another 5 breath cycles. Noticing anything that sticks out for you about the lake. Continue to breathe. And as you breathe, bring your full awareness and attention down to your feet. Allowing for your feet to represent the bottom of the lake. As long as the lake is as long as your body is. Allow for the lake to just carry on the characteristics of how you feel in this moment, breath by breath, moment by moment. And really connect to the toes. Really connect to the temperature. Connect to the feeling, the colors, the length. And the surface of your skin is the basin which is held by the lake. The container, the earth. And just continue to feel your skin. Feel the basin of this earth connect as a protective layer, breathing in and breathing out. Well, as we get ready to come to an end of the class, you can start to just reconnect to your body. Maybe allow yourself to smile and embrace your full body. Breath by breath, start to feel it connect as you open your eyes. Maybe even allowing your hands to stretch up, lifting up. And we can bring our hands to heart center if you like, if it's part of your practice. I thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. And namaste. Thank you.